welcome back to my lectures of class 10th physics. Let us solve some numericals based on the lens. So an object 2 centimeter high is placed at a distance of 64 centimeter from a white screen. On placing a convex lens at a distance of 32 centimeters from the object, it is found that a distinct image of the object is formed on the screen. Find the focal length and size of the image formed. So first of all, what we will do, we will write the given values. So let us read it again. An object 2 centimeter high means the height of object is 2 centimeter and that is represented by h1. h1 is equals to 2 centimeter and object height is always positive. Is placed at a distance of 64 centimeter from a white screen. We have the screen. अब यहाँ पर डायरेक्टली हमारे पास ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस नहीं है, क्योंकि ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस क्या होती है? फ्रॉम दी लेंस. मतलब यहाँ पर क्या गिवन है, अगर हमारे पास ये कोई ऑब्जेक्ट है एंड ऑन द अदर साइड वी हैव अ स्क्रीन, दिस इज स्क्रीन, तो यहाँ पर दोनों के बीच में जो डिस्टेंस है दैट इज 64 सेंटीमीटर विच इज गिवन. दैट an object 2 centimeter high is placed at a distance of 64 centimeter from a white screen. This is the screen and this is the object and that is the distance. On placing a convex lens at a distance of 32 centimeter from the object, object से 32 centimeter की distance पे हमने क्या रखा है? एक convex lens रखा है. It is found that a distinct image of the object is found on the screen. स्क्रीन के ऊपर क्या इमेज बन गई? अगर स्क्रीन के ऊपर इमेज बनी, इसका मतलब यहाँ पर इमेज कौन सी है? That is real and inverted, because only a real and inverted image can be formed on screen. Now here we can find the object distance. Object distance क्या होगी? This u is equals to, that is the distance between the lens and the object, that is equals to 32 centimeter. That is, you can say minus 32 centimeter. Okay. Now here, what will be the image distance? Here, the image is formed on the screen and we are always calculating the distance of the image from the lens. So here, this image distance V is equals to 64 minus 32, that is equals to 32 centimeter. But it will be positive or negative? It is forming on the other side. Light ray का direction इधर है and we are measuring from the optical center. Both are along the same direction. So this V will be equals to positive. Okay, now here what we have to find? We have to find the focal length and the size of the image, that is h2. Okay, understood? So first thing is to understand the numerical and then we can easily solve it by considering the lens formula or the magnification formula. Okay, now here let us solve this. We have object distance u and image distance v. We have the lens formula 1 upon v minus 1 upon u is equals to 1 upon f. What is the value of v? Is equals to plus 32 minus value of u 1 upon minus 32 is equals to 1 by f. Second write 1 by 32 plus 1 by 32 is equals to 1 by f. Second write it as 2 by 32 is equals to 1 by f. Second write it to be 16. So f is equals to plus 16 centimeter. And we know that the focal length of a convex lens that is always positive. और यहाँ पर हमारा आंसर क्या है? पॉजिटिव आ रहा है, इसका मतलब ये क्या है? आंसर सही है. So first we have found the focal length. Now we have to find the height. So height, we have the formula m is equals to h2 by h1 is equals to v by u. In case of mirror, हमारे पास यहाँ पर minus v by u होता था, but in case of lens we have v by u. Now we'll put the values. h2 we have to find, h1 we have 2 centimeter. What is the value of v? v is 32 centimeter and value of u minus 32. So here this both will get cancelled. Here we have minus. So I can write this h2 is equals to minus 2 centimeter. So height of the image is equals to minus 2 centimeter. Now what is the meaning of minus sign here? Negative sign represents that the image is forming below the principal axis. And if an image is real, it has to be formed below the principal axis. Why? Because it will be always real and inverted. So in this way we can solve the numerical based on the lens formula. So now let us solve one more numerical based on the lens and lens formula. So the numerical is a real image 4 by 5 the size of the object is formed 18 centimeters from a lens. Calculate the focal length of the lens. First of all we have to write the given values. What the given values are? A real image 4 by 5 the size of the object. मतलब यहाँ पर क्या given है? Image height that is represented by h2 is equals to 4 by 5 the size of the object that is equals to h1. This is given from this first statement and this image is real. And we know that a real image is always inverted. मतलब यहाँ पर अगर हम लिखते हैं इसका रेशियो h2 by h1 तो ये कितना हो जाएगा? -4 by 5 because the sign of magnification, this m is equals to h2 by h1 and magnification negative कब होता है? जब यहाँ पर अपने पास इमेज कौन सी है? रियल, एंड दैट इज ऑलवेज गिवन बाय द रेशियो ऑफ द हाइट. सो यू कैन राइट इट टू बी h2 by h1 is equals to -4 by 5. और यहाँ से हम कह सकते हैं कि h2 हाइट ऑफ इमेज दैट इज इक्वल्स टू -4 एंड द हाइट ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 5. तो यहाँ पर क्या हाइट ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट हमेशा पॉजिटिव रहेगा और हाइट ऑफ इमेज क्या रहेगा? नेगेटिव रहेगा. So you have to understand where it is given real image and the ratio is given, then you have to use the proper sign. Okay, is formed 18 centimeter from a lens. क्या बन रही है? Image. So the image distance is given as 18 centimeter. So I can write V is equals to 18 centimeter. Now this is the real image, and a real image is always forming on the other side. So this V will be equals to plus 18 centimeter. Now here we have to find the value of F. फोकल लेंथ हम कैसे फाइंड कर सकते हैं? बाय सिंपली यूजिंग द लेंस फॉर्मूला. बट यहाँ पर क्या है? लेंस फॉर्मूला के लिए हमें u भी चाहिएगा. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ u एंड दैट वी कैन फाइंड बाय यूजिंग द फॉर्मूला फॉर मैग्निफिकेशन. वी हैव m is equals to h2 by h1 is equals to v by u. So we can directly use the value of h2 by h1 and we will get the value of u. So this h2 by h1 minus 4 by 5 is equals to v is equals to 18 by u. So here I can find u is equals to 18 into 5 by minus 4. It will be 9 by 2. So I can write this u is equals to 45 by minus 2. So it will be minus 45 by 2 centimeter. Now we have the value of u, v. We can find f by using lens formula. So using lens formula, I can write 1 by v minus 1 by u is equals to 1 by f. What is the value of v? V is equals to 18 centimeter minus u is equals to 45 by 2. So I can write here 45 by 2, that is negative, is equals to 1 by f. So I can write 1 by 18 plus 2 by 45 is equals to 1 by f. So when we will find the LCM will be equals to 90. So it will be 5 plus 45 to the 90, 2 to the 4 is equals to 1 by f. So I can write here 9 by 90 is equals to 1 by f, or I can write this. So I can write here 9 by 90 is equals to 1 by f. So this f will be equals to 90 by 9, that is equals to 10 centimeter. So this f will be equals to 10 centimeter and it is positive. तो पॉजिटिव क्या मतलब है कि ये लेंस कौन सा है? दैट इज अ कॉन्वेक्स lens. So you can also cross check your answer which you are getting from the sign. So in this way we can calculate the focal length if the ratio of the height and the image distance is given. Let us solve one more question based on the lens and lens formula, but this time we have a concave lens. So at what distance from a concave lens of focal length 20 centimeter, a 6 centimeter tall object be placed so as to obtain its image at 15 centimeter from the lens? Also calculate the size of image formed. The first thing that you should write is the given data. At what distance from a concave lens? First of all, we can write what kind of lens we have, that is concave lens of focal length 20 centimeter. मतलब focal length कितना है? 20 centimeter, but it is concave, so it will be minus 20 centimeter. It will be negative. A 6 centimeter tall object height is 6 centimeter. So I can write h1 is equals to plus 6 centimeter. Object height is always positive. Be placed so as to obtain its image at 15 centimeter from the lens. Image distance v is 15 centimeter. But for a concave lens, the image formed is always virtual, and that is forming on the same side as that of the lens. That's why this v will be negative. So we have to find the object distance and we have to also calculate the size of the image formed. Now we have f and v. So we can easily find u from here by using the lens formula. So using lens formula, I can write 1 by v minus 1 by u is equals to 1 by f. So I can write this 1 by v minus 1 by f is equals to 1 by u, because you have to find u. So 1 by u is equals to 1 by v. 1 by v is equals to 15. So minus 15 minus 1 by f. Value of f is equals to minus 20. Minus 20. So I can write 1 by u is equals to minus 1 by 15 plus 1 by 20. Okay, so we will take the LCM, that is 60. Okay, so minus 4 plus 3. So 1 by u is equals to minus 1 by 60. So here I can get u is equals to minus 60 centimeter. And this object distance, that should be always negative. और हमारे पास यहाँ आंसर भी क्या है, नेगेटिव आ रहा है, मतलब ये क्या है, सही है. Okay, now the second thing is you have to find the size of the image form. The size of the image form can be found easily by using the formula for magnification. M is equals to H2 by H1 is equals to V by U. So here H2 we have to find. What about H1 is given, that is plus 6 centimeter. Value of V, that is given as minus 15 divided by U. U is equals to minus 60. Okay, so I can write here this H2 is equals to 15 into 6 by 60. So 6, it will be 10. So H2 is equals to 1.5 centimeter. And you can see this H2 is positive. Positive means it is forming above the principal axis. And above the principal axis, that image is erect. And we know that a virtual image is always erect. That's why here this image is virtual. And if we have a concave lens, then we have always a virtual image. So in this way we can solve the numerical if we have a concave.